Hi, I'm here with Jacob from Repairware, and I want to know what exactly is Repairware?
So Repairware is a class that's offered here at the ALC where students get to have the opportunity to repair Chromebooks and other computers that people submit.
Okay, so if it's a class, what qualifications do you need, or is it just open for anybody?
So before I took Repairware, I was in Mr. Talbot's PC repair class, and that got me the certification I needed to be in the repair lab.
Okay, dope. So, what do you guys charge to fix a Chromebook or computer?
So for computer repairs, we charge $25 for the repair, and then parts are extra.
Okay. How do I contact you if I need this service?
You can contact us at our email, which is repairware@nebo.edu, and just shoot us an email.
All right, now what's the best part about Repairware?
I think the coolest thing about Repairware is it's an actual class. Like, we're in here during our class period just repairing Chromebooks, doing computer stuff, learning about computers. It's super awesome.
All right, cool.